So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will cover the lab that is getting started with Gemini API in Vertex AI. So first of all, click on Start Lab. In case you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. Open Cloud Console in Incognito window. In my case, it is getting signed in automatically. In case you need username and password, you can refer to the lab instruction. Here, please pay attention to each and every steps whatever I do. So from search box, just type Workbench or Vertex AI. So first of all, type Vertex AI. You can see on the navigation menu also just below above the compute engine Vertex AI is present. You can click on that also. But for ease of access and if they update the navigation menu, just use the search box to find it. Here click on Workbench. Now you have to click on Open Jupyter Lab. Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is open. Now from here just select the intro Gemini Python file. So now wait for some time. Now you have to select kernel, that is Python 3. So click on select. Now wait for the kernel to get idle. As you can see, it's showing busy. So wait for some time. See, finally the kernel status is idle. Now we will move forward to the task. Click on play button. Now it will install Vertex AI SDK on your Jupyter Lab. So now wait. Now for here, we have to update some variables, that is the project ID and the region. So now carefully select the project ID and remove it. You can take help from the lab instructions. As you can see here, the region, basically known as location, is also shared. Just replace it in case it's different for you. So now as you can see, now that we don't have to update any variables and the kernel status is also idle. So now let's start the lab. So from here, just click on run button. You can also try that by clicking on, as you can see on the navigation menu, there is run. So run and all cells selected below. So it will work faster. So now as you can see, finally the kernel status is idle. And let's check my progress for all the tasks. So as you can see, we got full score without any issue. And finally we are done with the lab. Do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the